Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Keynote file so the conversion is predictable. Make sure fonts are embedded or available on the target machine, and check that videos and audio are in common formats. Once ready, choose File, Export to PowerPoint, and pick the PPTX option. Make sure to include media. Save the exported file with a clear name and note any warnings about unsupported features, because those will determine what needs fixing after import. Once the PPTX is open in PowerPoint, you should scan for layout shifts and misaligned objects. Keynote to PowerPoint conversion often changes spacing and grouping. Reapply fonts where substituted, relink or replace missing video and audio files, and recreate complex animations using PowerPoint's animation pane. Make sure the slide master and notes pages look correct, and confirm the aspect ratio matches your intended display. To finish, run the slideshow and verify timings, animations, and all embedded media play as expected. This is where you catch playback or font errors. Once satisfied, export a PDF or use PowerPoint's package feature to bundle media and fonts for another machine. If a slide still looks wrong, recreate that slide natively in PowerPoint rather than wrestling with converted layers. This is faster and more reliable. If things go wrong, check font substitution and replace unsupported transitions first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.